Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends and family. Hopefully, you're doing really good time. And I am standing at another amazing place. Look at this. This is the afternoon time, and I am making a video. And so today, I want to discuss about how much value of creating video. Personally, I think creating video is very important for learning English, and it is the best thing to improve your English, improve your confidence. If you ask me, how can I develop our English quickly? I will suggest you this is the major thing, this is the major way to practice your and to develop your English skill. And this is the thing is creating video. And how much value of creating video? I cannot explain it. Creating video is a major thing. If you develop your confidence, creating video. If you develop your speaking skill, creating a video. And creating video is the major thing of learning English. Not learning English, anything. If you want to speak in public place, you can record a video in front of the camera. And this is really a good thing to practicing and to develop your English skill. So I will suggest you, if you want to improve yourself, you create a video every single day. So I will suggest you, creating video is very important for learning English. So you can follow this technique, you will grow up your confidence, you will grow up your English level. So I have another thing, you can follow this thing, it will be better in your future, I hope, and I believe that. Second thing is, whenever you can go anywhere, you can try to observe the place. Observation is the most important of learning English. This is the best way to practicing English, to learning English. And whenever, for example, I am standing another beautiful place, look at this. Beside I have a lake, and there are a lot of birds, and they are chirping. So in this way, you can practice and develop your English speaking skill. This really good way to practicing English. And if you like this video, do must subscribe my channel, and see you some other time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.